So, today we are going to make some oven-baked chicken thigh fillets. We're using only dried seasoning spices, so this is really simple and fast to make in a hurry after work day or something. We need chili powder. This is like a pretty Indian style, Asian style food. Not very authentic, but I think the flavors are quite that way. Chili flakes, then turmeric powder, let's put it here, then garlic powder. You can choose yourself how much you are using each of one of these, then onion powder and paprika powder. Let's put a little bit of more chili there. And we are using yogurt, natural yogurt, to balance these tastes. A little bit more. And then we mix it a little bit. Not a little bit, but a lot of it. So they are all mixed. And this has to be on the oven only like 30 minutes, about. Then after 30 minutes we take it off the oven and put some yogurt and chili flakes on it, and it's ready. This is seriously easy and fast recipe. Let's put it in the oven and come back. So this is ready now. The taste, I mean the smell, the flavors are delicious. Now we are going to finish it with natural yogurt. A little bit there on top of every fillet, just to balance the taste when you eat it. And to get that little kick out of it, we add still some chili flakes in here, like this. So that's ready. Let's take a closer look. Kinda delicious. There's spice, there's hotness, some smoothness from that yogurt, and goes well with rice. For example, you can choose your own side dish for this. Then we will add some rice. We will make a delicious dish. Rices are running away. And then our chicken. I think that's pretty delicious. You can use this juice from the tray bake. Juice this a little bit up. And of course, if you want to use some sauce or something, you can use it. Let's taste it. Whoa! It has a has a kick. Those chili flakes and spices are just right for me. Maybe a little bit too much. But this definitely has kick, hotness in it. But this yogurt balances quite nicely. And some people are afraid to make chicken in the oven. This has been half an hour with 200 degrees Celsius. I don't know, I hope it shows to the camera, but it's perfectly cooked It's still moist, it's not dry, but it's not definitely raw. So if you use some kind of somewhat same size fillets as I did, and you put it half an hour, maybe 35 40 minutes if you want to be sure, then you will in the heat of 200 Celsius degrees, you can be sure that you will get chicken that is well cooked. Yes, maybe a little bit more of salt, but this is definitely worth to try. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in next video. Maybe you will look. And if you like this video, maybe you can hit that like button and follow me. I mean, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.